Hello there, I'm Nora, your guide to creating amazing magazines. Today, I'll show you how to make your very own magazine using the Hart Network editor. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. Hey there! Every great magazine starts with a theme. Choose one below to begin your journey. Tell us about your day or document a cool experience. Love nature? Let's explore forests, oceans, and green living. Tell stories about your culture, traditions, or historical places. Got a story to tell? Write your own adventure or fairy tale. Let's dive in. First, we'll pick a title, write our story, and add photos, stickers, and emojis to make it extra fun. Every magazine needs a great title. It tells your readers what they can expect. I'll call mine A Day in My Shoes, but you can pick any title you like. Every great story needs 3 parts. Let's add an introduction to start our adventure, a core section to describe what happens in the forest, and a conclusion to wrap it up. Write a short introduction about how your day in the forest begins. I'll write, "It was a sunny morning, and I decided to explore the forest behind my house." Your turn. Now let's tell what happens in the forest. Describe the animals you meet, like a squirrel or a fox. I'll write, "I met a friendly squirrel who took a nut from my hand." Finally, let's write how the day ends. I'll say, "As the sun set, I walked home, feeling grateful for the friends I met today." Go ahead and add your ending too. Time to make our page look amazing. Let's add some photos or drawings. You can upload pictures or use ones from the library. I'll add a picture of a fox too. And look, you can also add stickers. Here's a cute fox sticker. Let's add a quote to inspire our readers. I'll write, "The earth has music for those who listen." What quote would you like to add? Make sure to save your work. Now, let's click Preview to see how it looks. Now, let's share your story. You can download it as a PDF or show it to your friends on the Hart Network platform. Great job, Explorer! You've created an amazing story. Keep writing and sharing your adventures. The world is full of stories waiting to be told. And the coolest part, teamwork. Click this button to invite a friend or classmate to help you. Just type their name or email, and they'll get an invite to join in. Now Mia can help me with the photos and write his own part of the story. You can work together in real time and see each other's changes. Collaboration makes everything more fun.